Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try to replace the old door regular locks here with a smart key lock. So first thing we need to do is just to remove it. Okay, there's another one right down here. This first step is pretty much a simple process here. It's just get all the screws out and just remove all the pieces here. All right, I got all the screws out, so we'll go ahead and start removing the pieces. It's already coming loose. Okay, so I got the old one removed, so I'm putting the new one in right now. And it takes a little bit to push this one in, but it's just a tight fit. So this is part of the smart lock. Okay, that's good. Now, if you wanted to, you can just recut this hole so everything fits in nicely. But just for the purpose of showing you how to do this, I'm just going to install it as it is. So this is the exterior one for the outside. Of course, it has the code that you have to enter later in the steps. So this will go just like that. So, and it calls for installing this piece right here. And there is a little hole in there that you're just gonna slide this in. Let's see, and it should just locks right in. Let's see, there you go. There, hope you can see that. It's in there, it's not going anywhere now. So this model calls for a 3-position column. They look like this, so I'm just gonna screws all 3 of them in. This is the reason why we need a 3-position column for this model, because there's 1, 2, 3 holes here, and we need to kind of lock it together. Now let's go ahead and slide this thing in. There you go. Now it's in. I just want to show you the other side. This is the inside part of it. So this thing is operate on, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries, I believe. And this connector here, of course, with screws right under there. Okay. And the 3 stand off here, it's going to go through here, and the 3 screws going to hold it right there. All right, so let's move on to this next step. All right, so I have a gasket here that it says to install, so we're just going to put it right on there. There you go. All right, finally got the gasket on there, and now we are ready to install. And what you want to do is plug the connector right here in there first. And of course, there's just only one way to plug this thing. There you go. So we got the connector on there. We'll just carefully route the cable here around here so I won't mess things up. Just get it started here. Okay, I started with a screws at the bottom here just to get it going, and then put another one in, and I'm trying to connect both of these together now. All right, there you go. And let's see, one more down here. That's pretty good. It's just kind of hand tighten. You don't want to over tighten it. There you go. Seems to work. All right. Looks like it's on. Now we're just gonna figure out how to set up the coats and all that. Looks good. I just realized that the model that I bought here does not come with a deadbolt lock. So I'm still going to use the normal deadbolt lock like I always have. So I just went ahead and put everything back together, the screws and all that. So the only thing that I'm using is just a code to actually open this up. Now I'm going to install the 4 AA batteries that it's required to run this. Let's see. There you go. Okay, I think the first goes like this. I heard something there. I guess it's working. There. So depending on the model that you are installing, there's usually an apps that goes with it. And I would recommend it just follow the instructions, download the apps, and go ahead and set up your code. Mine just call for a reset here. Okay, just want to let you know that I added my device onto my app and everything works. It says smart lock added successfully. All right, let's gonna try it out, see if it works. So after setting my codes and everything, I'm testing it to see if it's unlock and lock. Right now, it is at a lock position right there. There you go. And I'm going to use the apps. Let's see if I can unlock it with the apps. Unlocked. Hey, it works. Lock, close. Now it's locked. So once again, you don't really need to hire any professional to do this kind of work. Just follow the instructions and just do it yourself. Save you some money. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, have a great day. And just fix it.